I had a question about number 2 on the Chapter 4 practice test, which involves using the table of random digits. This is the second part of the question, but the first part you need to know is that there is a sample size of 816, or excuse me, a population size of 816, and you're selecting 50 out of them. So, question is how we use the random table of digits here. Now, here's what you would do. You have 816 people in your population. You're going to assign them each a 3-digit number. First person you'd start out with, you could give 001, second 002, and so on all the way up to 816. Now, how do I use this random table of digits? Here's how it would work. Oh, excuse me, did not want to do that. I'm going to zoom in. Now, you'll notice these aren't grouped in threes, but you're going to group them in threes. So what you would do is you look for the first 3 digits. 955. That would be the first thing you pull up. That does not correspond to anyone in your set, so we're not going to worry about that. Next 3 numbers, 929. Doesn't correspond with anyone in your population, not going to use it. However, 400, that comes up. So if you're looking at your choices here, that already narrows your choices down to B and E. So what you're going to do, you're going to keep going. All right, so then you get 769. We're going to use that. Up, 769 comes up again. Guess what? It's a repeating digit. We're not going to use that. However, we're going to go with the next 3, which would be 335. And keep going. 477. 245. And so on. 016. And this will help you find the corresponding people you'll be using. So you'd be using person who is number 400 here. 769. Again, you don't go back to them, you skip it. Then you use person 335, person 477, person 245, person 016, person 632, and so on. So if you go back down here, the only choice you have that matches these options, 400, 769, and 335 would be E. You definitely don't want to go with B because it repeats twice, and you don't want to use repeating values. Like when you use a random number generator, as we always say, if a number comes up twice, we only use it once. So hopefully this helps you out using the random table of digits. Remember, it's all based on your population size. Like in this case, it was 816, so I went with 3 digits here. And, the first person I gave 001. So you do it based on, your population size and the number of digits you need. And it doesn't matter if they're not grouped the way you need them to be. You group them just like I did. I went in threes.